What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, it's John, Backwoods Off-Road and Overlanding. Man, and today, man, I got some awesome content for you today, guys. Man, today we're going to talk about budget moto camping and what you need to get started, guys. And stick around to the end of the video. Man, I got an awesome giveaway for you guys. So if you're just here for the giveaway, man, just go and skip to the end, man, whatever. But stick around, guys. You're gonna like what I got. You're gonna like what I got here. So, without further ado, let's roll right into. For quite a while here, I've been thinking about it the past few weeks. Like I put a lot of, I put a good bit of thought into most of my content, guys. Some of it's just shooting from the hip, but some of it I actually put some thought into it. But as always, this is unscripted and it's just coming straight out of my mouth. So I apologize for any f-ups, which I usually have. But anyways. Moto camping, guys. I've never been moto camping. Man, I grew up camping. I was in Boy Scouts. I was in Eagle Scout. I was a Weeblo, all that good stuff, man. We went camping, on the pond dam, went fishing, all this stuff. I've never been moto camping. And I want to go moto camping, guys. And everyone tells you, man, don't buy crap from Walmart. Don't buy crap from Harbor Freight, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? I'm here to tell you guys, man, it's okay to buy something from Walmart. It's okay to go to Harbor Freight. Is their stuff the best? No, it's not. Is there things you shouldn't buy? Probably not. There's probably things you shouldn't buy, and you'll learn. But man, all these channels and all these folks they're gonna try and sell you a $300 tent, a $500 tent, a $100 chair. Man, guys, have you seen the price of a Yeti chair? I mean, it's like $300, but have you sat in one? Oh my God. I think it's worth like $180, whatever it was. I really almost bought a Yeti chair you carry around, and I probably still will, just for shits and giggles. But the purpose of this video, guys, man, and my thoughts on it, you know what? If you're like me and you're getting back into riding, you're back on your Dualsports, you want to go moto camping, guys, man, what if you do it, you spend all this money, you go out and you buy a $500 tent, and you buy all this gear, and you buy a $200 stove, fuel stove, and this and that, and man, you could have $1,200-1,500 easy, $300 sleeping bag. What if you go and you spend all this money, guys, and you go moto camping and you fucking hate it? You don't like it. Now you got all this gear, and you're going to get like half your money back trying to resell it. If you're lucky, buddy, you might have a buddy that's, man, I'll get it from you and pay you what you paid for it. Or, there's always an or, like in my case. I love camping. My kids like camping, but my wife works weekends and I work during the week. So we don't get a lot of time to go out. So, man, to go out and buy a $500 tent to go camping, if we're lucky, once a freaking year, guys, it's just not a reality. So that's two. Number three, I should have put more thought on this or wrote some of this shit down, but all my videos are unscripted, guys. So, I got a little stray hair right there. You guys can see my age. You can see my gray hair. Number three. So we're talking about here $200 to $300 to get into moto camping, guys. And I'm going to unbag this, and you're going to be amazed of what I got here. I probably spent right at $300, guys. And my wife works at Walmart DC, so I get 10% discount. So I spent right up under $300. A lot of this stuff you can substitute for some cheaper items, or you can supplement for some things that you already have. I just went out and I just bought everything, and even the cinch straps, I just bought those just because I wanted to see, how much it's going to cost you guys, So if you're getting into moto camping, guys, we're going to go unbag this, and I'm sorry if this video goes too long. I'm going to try and, I don't want to rush through it because I want you guys to get this information. It's okay. This is number three. Man, it's okay to buy some cheap stuff to get started. And we'll get into this. Like this tent I got in this bag was like $30 flipping. Now, if you're going to go camping every weekend and you're going to go 3-night camp, 3-night camp, 3-night camp, 3 times a month, 4 months out of the year, man, a $30 tent's not going to do it. You're going to need a $300, $500 tent because it's just not going to hold up. But if you're getting started, you're not sure if you're going to like it, you might not have a lot of time, man, start small. Man, go buy a $30 tent. Go buy a $20, a $15 chair. I don't know, it's like $15, $20. Go buy a $20 chair, guys. Man, you know, I mean, then as you get out there, you start getting more time, and then you start upgrading, guys. You're out there, okay, man, I'm really loving this moto camping. Man, I'm finding more time to go out and moto camp. And okay, first thing I'm going to upgrade, I'm going to upgrade my tent. Okay. I'm camping. I'm camping. All right, now I'm upgrading my sleeping bag. Oh man, it's getting cold. Man, I need cold weather gear, sleeping bag, and I need a tent for winter. I need a tent for the summertime. I need a sleeping bag for the winter. Oh, we're going to the fucking mountains, guys, man. We need freaking Arctic tent. And I mean, if the sky's the limit to this, and it just comes down to what you're going to do. And, answer to everything, it depends, guys. But don't be afraid to get started with cheap stuff, guys, man, especially if you don't know. But anyways, here, guys, here this is on my 300L. Boom, bam. Can you guys see? I got her cinched to my rack. She's not going nowhere, guys. She's cinched down. And then actually, let me flip this around, guys. Here, so I got my duffel bag. I even bought the bag right there. That'll save you like $35 if you got your own bag, guys. Right there, boom. I could have got a cheaper bag, man, but just you got to be careful because some things you don't want to go too cheap on. I mean, a lot of times you do get what you pay for. So I got her cinched here, and I want to take her. I haven't weighed her yet. I'm curious of what this bag weighs. Excuse me. All right, we're going to take her over here to the scale. Let's see what I got here. All right, we got her zeroed out, man. This is going to be tough to weigh. We're going to see here. Okay. 23 pounds, guys. 23 pounds. 10, we'll say 10 and a half kilograms. 374 ounces. We'll go back to pound. Okay, so 23 pounds, guys. Man, 23 pounds, guys. Dude, that's not shit. I'm going to set this camera up and, man, let's show you what we got in this bag.